4 by Hasbro Gaming. Here is the instructions. Carefully remove the grid legs and slider bar from the plastic frame. If needed, use an emery board or sandpaper to remove the excess plastic from the pieces. Discard the frame after removing all the pieces. Step 1 is to insert slider bar into bottom of the grid. Step 2, insert the legs into sides of the grid. And then step 3, I guess, is to give player 1 one color of discs and player 2 one color of discs. On your turn, drop one of your discs into any slot in the top of the grid. Take turns until one player gets 4 of their colored discs in a row, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. The first player to win 4 in a row wins. The winner of the previous game slides the slider bar to release all the discs. So I'm going to set it up. And Mario is going to play with us. Okay. Stupid thing. Okay. These are all of the discs, 21 yellow discs and 21 red discs. So, it's me, Mario. Can I be red? Yes. I'll be yellow. Yes! Oh, I lost. Let's put every disc back in the box. For the win! Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Plush YouTube and leave comments under this video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to like or dislike.